We turn ideas into action, predictions into assurance, assurance into innovations, and innovations into technology. The company that builds a better future by developing electromagnetic testers based on environmental concerns in a safe and comfortable working environment. Jinn Company Limited. We promise to always listen to the demands of our customers and provide precise, customized technical services that can satisfy customers through high quality, customized test equipment, training with the user manual, prompt responses, quick repair and maintenance, and reasonable product prices. Jinn Company Limited, which has been making remarkable achievements since its foundation in 2010, has laid the foundation for the advancement of electronic vibration testers, starting with the development of electromagnetic actuators in 2011. In 2013, we established a department dedicated to R&D and made a bold investment in research, which resulted in the Quality Management System certification and the acquisition of the Main Biz certification and the Trade, Industry, and Energy Minister Prize in 2015, followed by brilliant results. We developed a low-noise electromagnetic actuator in 2018 and built a vehicle NVH test lab in 2019. We have secure equipment reliability based on steady technological services for domestic automakers. We have leapt forward as a global company beyond the domestic market. Jinn Company Limited, a company specializing in vibration testing, has created a new history through constant challenge and innovation. It is a test equipment company with 15 registered patents, a venture certificate, ISO certificate, Main Biz certificate, and a mechatronics research center. The electromagnetic actuator is an eco-friendly, next-generation test instrument that allows uniaxial, multi-axial, parallel combination, and vertical and horizontal configurations. It also allows users to freely configure their desired tests. As a low-noise, high-precision instrument, it enables BRS analysis and measures high-frequency areas that cannot be measured with conventional hydraulic or mechanical equipment. As for the features of the chassis module NVH characteristic tester using EMA, it is capable of conducting low-frequency and high-frequency dynamic characteristic tests and an evaluation of suspension wheel center nonlinear static stiffness according to excitation displacement with the wheel center static stiffness test. In addition, it is capable of analyzing the contribution, influence of the load transfer rate by element and part, and data change due to the replacement of major parts in the load transmission system. The noise evaluator using EMA can evaluate the noise generated by the excitation of various road surfaces in the suspension module. It uses the up and down displacement front-rear load excitation method. It can measure noise and identify the part causing it when it occurs. The 3-axis vibration tester reproduces the actual vibration environment better than the uniaxial vibration tester and has high comparability with the product's operating environment. It can prevent over or under testing and save test time. The temperature can also be set when the chamber is applied, enabling more complex vibration tests. further enhance our global competitiveness with continued technological research and expand our business areas through excellent performance based on customer trust. Jinn Company Limited will make your evolving dreams come true. Jinn Company Limited, a company specializing in vibration and durability testing instruments, promises to fulfill its role as a global company with passion and sincerity by becoming a company by, for, and of the customers, moving forward through continuous challenges and innovations. We will continue to advance and become a leading company in vibration measurement, testing, analysis, equipment development, and manufacture. The company that grows with customers and shares outcomes generously. Jinn Company Limited.